This is the effect from Typhoon Noru. Typhoon Noru hit Thailand before Hurricane Ian hit Florida for a few days. They got flooded for the whole country. The worst area would be along Moon River. A very worst one is my hometown, Ubon Ratchatani province, because all water from the north came down to the south. And my hometown is the southeast of Moon River before water go down to the ocean. Lots of family got flooded and still flooding and will be many more days. People there are agriculture. They have farm underwater. This year, they don't have food to eat.